Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the 6.0's new wheel and tire setup. So the tires obviously aren't in a box. Here they are. But we got 1350 R24 Furies, the OG style Furies. And then we have, and I've never seen these, in the tape isn't cut. My grandpa just cut this a minute ago because he's going to look at them. But I wanted to show this. I haven't seen them. All the boxes are sealed. The other two are back here. So I haven't seen these. I've seen them online. Here are the other two. So I haven't seen these at all yet. But these are 2412 for 8 on 170. Which is the F250 bolt pattern, and these are the KG1 Tridents. So I believe these are a little bit of a concave wheel, but we're gonna grab something here, open these up, and take a look at our new setup. All right, so here we have them. They'll stay open. Again, 2412s, KG1s. So, again, I haven't seen these. I've never seen this wheel in person, or anything like that, or this style of wheel, for that matter. But let's get these. I'm just gonna cut this plastic, and then we'll get all of this off of here. Okay, so try this again. But here are the new wheels for the 6.0, and I think these are going to look killer on there. Again, especially in a 24 with a 35. These are 1350s. These are 12s, so they shouldn't be stretched at all. But I think these are going to look real nice on the truck. All right, so I lined everything up here. Now again, brand new. I mean, you can still see we got the little fuzzies on them still. One reason they touched dirt. Which one was it? I think it was this one. I rolled to the truck, and it looks pretty cool. But I mean, again, brand new Fury 1350 R24s. In the MT1, the OG Furies, and then for the wheels. Now, I know I could have done 14s. I almost did 14s, but I think the 12 will look a little bit nicer, a little simpler, especially since the truck's only on a 3-inch level, or 3-inch lift, rather. But I think the 12 will look very nice. And yes, there's a nice squeaky chair here. But I think the 12s are going to look super nice on the truck. They're not going to be too aggressive. Have a nice little poke on them. I think they'll be nice. Now, I didn't get billet caps. These are plastic ones because I'm poor. Yes, I know. But no, truth be known, they did offer me billet caps. The only thing I didn't know about billet caps is if I get billet caps, I don't know what I want on them. Whether it's the KG1 logo, my SL logo, whatever it may be. We'll figure that out. But for now, I just went with the standard caps. And yeah, they got my fingerprints and stuff on them from getting them out of the box. But these things are brand new. Obviously, you see me take them out of the plastic here. So I am speechless because these things are beautiful. Now, like I said, I'm going to go in, I'm going to call around, see if I can find somebody to mount these this week, hopefully. Today's Monday, so if I can't find somebody to mount them this week, it's going to be pretty disappointing. But like I said, I do believe we're supposed to get snow tomorrow, so that kind of puts the brakes on things. But if you look at that setup right there, And this might be the thumbnail. That's why I set them up like this, if we're being honest. But I think these are going to look pretty dope on the 6.0. I looked at a bunch of wheels. I almost went with the Collas, but I like the way the Tridents look. I really like directional wheels, but I like spokey wheels too. And I think these are going to look super dope on the truck. So that's what we went with. Now, lug nuts, I don't know where they went. I bought lug nuts. I just bought some cheap lug nuts just to get some in. Same thing. I'll probably get some nice chrome spikes, or maybe we'll get some, sandblast them, powder coat them purple to match everything. We'll see. We'll see. But like I said, I'll just order some cheap. I think they're like $22 or something off of Amazon just to get them. Here they are. So, like I said, just some cheap lug nuts just to have them. You know, just to get some in. That way I don't have to wait on anything. But like I said, I think these are going to look pretty killer. But for right now, I'm going to take these guys and I'm going to put them back in the box. That way they don't get all dusty in here. And I will catch y'all in a day or so. We'll get these mounted and hopefully on the truck. I don't think y'all will see them on the truck in this video, if I'm being honest, because I want that to be like a whole video. And one might say, oh, you're making a bunch of videos out of this. And yes I am. But like I said, I'm going to get these guys all wrapped back up, throw them in a box. These things are heavy, but I think, like I said, I think they're going to look pretty good on the truck. All right, so it's the next morning. Got the 6.0 here. Started up. I'm going to let it warm up just a second. And I'm going to pull it down to the shop. I know it's not really necessary, but I'm going to let it warm up a second and I'm going to pull it to the shop. But I found a place, actually the same place that did those. Said they could do them. I don't know if they can do them today, but they said they can do them. When I called them yesterday, it's supposed to rain today. It's already been raining, as you can tell. But I think we got until 2, and it's currently 8:30. So we got my grandpa in the blue truck down there. We're gonna load the tires up in his truck. We're gonna unbox the wheels, throw them in the 6.0 here on a moving blanket. And I'm gonna take the center caps off of them. That way they don't have to mess with them. I don't gotta worry about them scratching them up or nothing like that. And I'm probably gonna sit with them over there while they do them, because I know with the white truck, I'm pretty sure they put some pretty good scratches in those. I didn't make a big deal of it, but on these, being brand new and retail on these is pretty expensive, I'm probably just gonna sit over there with them, make sure that nothing happens. But anyway, we're gonna get them all unboxed in here. Like I said, we're gonna throw the tires in the blue truck. We're gonna get the wheels all unboxed, get the caps off of them, put a moving blanket in the bed of this. Luckily it's dry because my bed cover's on, and we'll throw them in here and be off to the tire shop. All right guys, so I know y'all probably can't hear me real well, but we got the wheels all loaded up, and these things, I just can't get over how good those look. I think they're gonna look sick on the 6.0 here. But we got these in here, and we left the little styrofoam things on them, and I'll just be very gentle, that way they don't slide around. And we got the tires in the back of the blue truck here. So I guess we're gonna head to the tire store and see if we can get these mounted today. All right guys, so we have made it here. I'm not gonna say the name, that way if they don't do good, I'm not free promote. If they do, I'll give them a shout out here in a bit, but we're gonna pull these over there and get them dropped off. Good morning guys, welcome back or to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna do a last drive video on the 6.0 as it is, because Well, in the next video, we're headed to Texas. I've already filmed that video, and I'm here. Y'all will see while I'm at a tire store. But last video, we was in the blue truck, went to Texas, and picked up something for the 6.0 that's pretty freaking cool. But today, we're going to do a last drive video in this truck as it is. And also, we're going to pick up a trailer here in a bit, and we're going to do our last of our testing with our aluminum radiator as well. So y'all stay tuned for that video, or y'all might have already seen it. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, we're going to drop some stuff off here at the tire store that y'all don't know about. And well, here in a bit we'll head home, and like I said, I'm going to do like a bit of a last drive type video. Alright guys, so we got them all mounted up. Big thank you to our friends here at Spring Hill Tire. Got them all mounted up, looking good. They even put but we got them all mounted up, and they even threw brand new pads on their machine for me, that way they didn't get scratched up. So we're good to go. Now I guess I'm gonna head up out of here, and I will catch y'all at the house. All right, so we made it back to the house. Wheels are safe and sound. Now, I got to do a few things before these go on, but I will tell you, they look real nice. So I'm gonna do last drive video. Y'all probably already seen that, and I remembered yesterday I have completely neglected to do the towing test with the aluminum radiator, so we're gonna do that today as well, and then these guys will go on. But I will say I like it. Another thing that's pretty cool is on, I don't know if they did it on all of them, but I know on a couple of them, the guy told me he tried to line up the KG1 and Fury logo. But that's just one of the things I think is kind of cool. But they got stuff all over them too. So I'm gonna let that dry. Kind of give these a quick once over with some polish and whatnot. They did have just a few little scratches on them. Actually, a couple of them had some scratches out of the box around the lips of them and stuff, but that's not a big deal. I am going to make a video at some point though, and kind of explain how I acquired these. It's pretty cool. But anyways, I'm going to unload these in the shop, get them out of here, and then got to pick up a trailer. We got to wait for my grandpa to get back. I don't know where he went. But we're going to pick up the trailer when he gets back, and we're going to do that tow test video. Like I said, y'all probably already seen it. I'm going to do a last drive video with this thing, which y'all probably already also seen. But I guess the next video for y'all, we're going to be putting these things on the truck. I don't know if we're going to get to them today, because it's supposed to rain, supposed to snow. I don't know what it's going to do. But anyway guys, like I said, I'm going to load these, or get these unloaded, get them in the shop here, and I guess that'll be a wrap for today's video. All right, so it's actually a little bit later, and if you listen, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it is snowing. We got the wheel and tires on the truck, but as soon it washed the truck, and as soon as I went to leave the car wash, it started raining. So I come back, we threw the truck in the shop, kind of halfway dried it off. I got some of the road grime off of it, and it's still sitting in the shop. So they're on, but I haven't seen it outside, and it's, if you look through there, it's currently dark outside. So but anyways, this is going to be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.